The Prophet's masjid, al-Masjid al-Nabawina, the virtue that I didn't mention for a last session is that this masjid is going to be the last masjid standing. That's what the Prophet told us. In the hadith in Sahih Muslim, in hadith Abi Hurairah, the Prophet, he said, alayhi salatu wassalam, فَإِنِّي آخِرُ الْأَنْبِيَاءِ, I am the last of all prophets. وَإِنَّ مَسْجِدِي, and my masjid, al-Masjid al-Nabawi, is what? آخِرُ الْمَسَاجِد, it's going to be the last of all of the masajids. As you know, the three masajids that are most virtuous, Masjid al-Haram, Mecca, Ibrahim alayhi salam, harramaha, he made it a sacred place. It was because of Ibrahim why Mecca became a sacred place. And the Prophet, he said, as for Medina, I, Nabi Muhammad, made it a sacred land. And Baytul Maqdis now was something all of the Prophets used to be. So Masjid al-Nabawi is specific, unique for Nabi Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam. And it's going to be the last masjid. That's going to be. That's what Sindi says in his Hashiyah ala Sharh Sunan Nasa'i. He said what it means, Akhir al-Masajid. He said it means that it's going to be the last one that perishes and goes.